Hi Aunt Claire's class, this is a step-by-step video. We're going to draw a picture of a caterpillar and then we're going to write the word caterpillar. I want you to put your paper sideways like mine, okay? And get a green crayon and a brown crayon. I want you to pause the video anytime you need more time, okay? Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is take our green crayon and draw a line across the bottom of our picture. Remember, we only want a little bit of space under the line. Then we're going to shade that space in. That is going to be our grass. If you need more time to shade in your grass, go ahead and pause the video. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to make 4 big circles. They are all going to touch, okay? You see how they're touching the grass too? I want them to touch each other and touch the grass. If you need more time, pause the video. I'm going to color these in. Remember that Aunt Claire never asks you for perfection. I only ever ask you to do your best. Try your best to stay in those lines. Get all of those white spots for me. You're doing a good job. If I'm going too fast for you, whenever I'm finished coloring, I want you to pause the video so that you can finish coloring. Okay, I want you to put your green crayon away and get your brown crayon. We are going to draw a face on this first circle. I want you to give your caterpillar 2 eyes. That's 1 eye. Another circle, color it in. That's 2 eyes. If you need more time, pause the video. Now I'm going to give him a smile, just like that. And then I'm going to give him some feet on his first circle, which is his face. I'm going to give him 2 legs. 1, 2. Just like you're drawing a triangle, except we're not putting a line at the bottom, okay? On the next circle, if you need more time, pause the video. On the next circle, he's going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So right here he has 1 little mountain, and on the second circle he has 2 mountains. On the next circle he's going to have 2 mountains too. Can you think of a letter that looks like this? The capital A, an uppercase A. So on his first circle he has 1 mountain, and on the rest of the circles he has 2 mountains. 1, 2, 1, 2. Good job. That's a great caterpillar. Now I want you to put your brown away again and get your green crayon. And we are going to write the word caterpillar. If you need more time, pause the video, okay? The first letter in caterpillar is C. C. You start at the top and you go around, but you do not close it. You leave a space. The next letter is A. Circle and then a line. A circle and then a line. The next letter is a T. Remember, if you ever need time, pause the video. Make a long line, then go back almost to the top and cross your T. If you need more time, pause your video. The next letter is E. Remember, you go out, up, over, and around. Out, up, over, and around. The next letter is R. Down, up, and make a hook. Down, up, and make a hook. The next letter is P. Down, long line down, go back up to the top and make a bump. Long line down, back up to the top, make a bump. If you need more time, pause the video. Next letter is I. I. Make a line, give it a dot on top. Make a line, give it a dot on top. Notice that my dot is not touching my line. There's a space. Leave some room. The next letter is L. L looks just like a 1. Okay, so it's just straight down. Straight down. The next letter is also an L, so make one to match. Straight down. Straight down. It's a tall line, not a short line. The next letter is A. So just like this, a circle and then a line. A circle and then a line. Remember to pause the video if you need more time. Next letter is an R. Down, up, and make a hook. Down, up, and make a hook. Good job, you guys. Please add more color and more to your picture. You can add flowers, trees, you can add little blades of grass here and there if you want to. Please send me pictures. Ask mommy and daddy to take a picture of your drawing and your word and have them send it to me on ClassDojo. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video.